So welcome you guys. As you have already known from the thumbnail, I'm going to launch a machine learning boot camp, and it's going to be really comprehensive and well structured, and it's my word for you. Yeah? Don't believe me, it's going to be, don't believe me, just watch the videos. I don't want to waste any time, just watch the videos. So as I'm starting machine learning, let me tell you some of the powers of machine learning to get you excited, to get you going, right? So in 2016, Google's DeepMind developed a machine learning system, artificial intelligence system, that is called as AlphaGo, which was trained to play the Go game, right? So in 2016, what happened is some miracle happened. This machine was able to beat the Go world champion. Yeah, Go isn't not an easy game. It's a hard game. The number of moves, the permutations and combinations it has to go is very complex. See, only the number of moves are more than the number of atoms in the observable universe. So you know how machines are going to be in the future, and the people who are going to harness the power of machines and artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, are going to thrive in the economy, and the people who doesn't are going to lose their jobs. Drivers for autonomous cars, fraud detection for police, and this all are going to lose many of their jobs, because many of the stuffs are going to be automated. So you are in the right place. If you have clicked on this video, then the probability is that you want to harness this power of machine learning, and you want to really learn this field, this interesting field that is going to change the course of the future. So let's see what more about machine learning. And yeah, so what is machine learning? Yeah, let us see what's machine learning. Yeah. Machine learning is all about teaching computers how to learn from data and make predictions, decisions based on learning. It's used in a variety of applications, from self-driving cars to speech recognition softwares, and it's only going to be more important in the coming futures. Yeah? Let me also give you another applications of machine learning. Let us say there is a company, email spam detecting company. Yeah? The company's aim is to detect spams. So let us say this company is not using machine learning. What it does, it takes some keywords like lucky, or you are a lucky customer that you have won $5,000 for no reason. If you give us the OTP and this and this OTP is this, click on this link, and this company recognizes these keywords or specific types of links. So whenever another new email comes, it can show, it can tell whether it's spam or not. Yeah, but what if an spam email doesn't at all contains these keywords? The model which they have created to detect spam messages or spam emails wouldn't work, because this spam email isn't having these keywords. So now the company is using machine learning, so it can recognize some patterns, not just keywords, some patterns in that machine, so in that spam email, so that it can mark it as spam or not ham email, right? Ham is opposite of spam email. Yeah. And even through reinforcement learning, if users mark that specific email as spam email, it will show 10,000 people has marked this as spam email. So you would know, many people are using marking this spam. And this, in reinforcement learning, machine gets rewarded by the users. So like, for example, you're scrolling through the YouTube shorts, and you mark some, you liked some videos, so much the machine learn, so what the system does, it recognizes this user likes this video, so it rewards itself and say this is the these types of videos are going to come regularly to this user. So this is what reinforcement learning is. Yeah, I'm serious, machine learning is really interesting interesting field, really. So why learn machine learning, right? According to this report by Grand View Research, the global machine learning cap market is 8.5 billion, nearly 8.5 billion, and this machine learning field is going to grow compoundly in within 7 years, at a compound rate of like 50%. That's like a big exponential growth of machine learning. So let me also show you what are the salaries, and the from within 3 years the number of postings in machine learning has been grown about 350%. That means more people are taking up machine learning, and they're also getting posted, and the average salary is like in any of all of these, the big highest salaries of machine learning. Let us see what how much is 156 $146 $1,000 in 146K in rupees, right? Rupees. Yeah, it's like whoa, like 1.2 crores. That's like so much, so much. You're gonna be filthy rich. So basically, machine learning models can be classified into three types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and enforcement learning. So as the name suggests, supervised learning, means us, the coders, supervises the machines and gives the necessary inputs like labels and features, right? Let me give you an example of this supervised learning. For example, you're making a machine learning system which will predict what predict whether it's a dog or a cat, right? Basic machine learning model, right? And in that you will pass features of the dog barks, and it's like more louder, and cat meow, and it's like shorter than dog, and it looks like this, and it has long nose, and cat has short nose, uh, and dogs have big ears, and the ears of cat are like pointy. So you pass all the information and labels, the the nose, how it looks, how does the face looks, the characteristics of dogs, loyal, and these stuffs, all the labels you will pass. Now now you want you see an animal, and you type the characteristics of that animal. It has a nose, like big nose, it has a big eyes, and long ears, and you pass all the characteristics of that animal, and the machine predicts, oh no, yeah, if it has a long ears, and it has a big long nose, and this is a dog, it predicts it's a dog. Whereas in unsupervised learning, you pass all the images of a dog and all the images of a cat, and now you take the image of that animal and give it to that machine learning model. If the machine learning model analyzes these characters, these patterns in the face of a dog and in the face of a in the face of a cat. Now if you input now if you input so now if you input an image of a cat, uh, so so now if you input an image of that of an animal, it will be able to know what type of animal is it. Yeah, it finds in supervised and in unsupervised learning, it analyzes the patterns, but in supervised learning, the users or the coders give the machine learning model the necessary parameters and patterns to that model. Now for reinforcement learning, as I have already told, it takes appraisals and awards. For example, you're on, I told you this, I'm repeating the example. You're scrolling on your YouTube shorts and you keep liking similar type of videos. So the machine or this YouTube algorithm, what it does, it repeatedly recommends the same YouTube shorts for you. So in here, like is taken as an award, and a dislike means you doesn't want to see this type of videos, so it doesn't show you. So this works. This is what reinforcement learning is. I'll elaborate more on reinforcement learning and all of this and all of these machine learning models in my upcoming videos, so you can have better understanding. This is just for introduction, and so keep watching these videos. Thank you. So signing off, Salman in Tech. Happy machine learning.